Hi there, my name is Samantha Cavallo and I am the Chief Marketing Officer of Practice of the Practice. This month we thought we would address some social media hacks, answering some common questions that you have about social media in general. So the first one is to address how to delete your Instagram account or your Facebook account. So if you've reached the point where you no longer want to have Instagram, you need to go to instagram.com/accounts/remove/request/permanent. We will have this link in the description of this video below. But basically you come to this link in order to delete your account. You can't actually do it from your phone in your Instagram account. You need to come to this link to delete your account. A few things to note before you delete your account is that your account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and follows will be permanently removed. So if you're sure that that's what you want to do, then you can go ahead and delete it. Otherwise, you can click here on temporarily disable if you just want to take a break from Instagram. But if you're happy to go ahead and delete your account, then you can basically just click here to give a reason as to why you want to delete it. And once you've given a reason, you can go ahead and delete your account. Something else to take note of is to just make sure that you're logged into the right Instagram account if you do have more than one. So if whatever name is showing here isn't the account you want to delete, then be sure to log out of that one and log into the one that you do want to delete. After your account is deleted, you can't sign up again with the same username or add that username to another account. So again, just be sure that this is what you want to do. And after 30 days of your account deletion request, your account and all your information will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to retrieve your information. So that covers how to delete your Instagram account. Then moving on to how to delete your Facebook account, you're basically going to come into Facebook. This is the new look that Facebook has. You're going to click on the arrow in the top right corner here, go to settings and privacy, and then settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to come to your Facebook information and then click on deactivation and deletion over here. You can click view. And again, you have the option to either deactivate your account to have a break from it for a bit or to fully permanently delete your account. So select whichever one you're looking for and then click on continue to account deactivation.